everyone, this is Paul Bertorelli reporting for Aviation Consumer and AVweb from Venice, Florida. I'm standing in front of the new PiperSport, which is Piper's entry into the LSA market. This aircraft was introduced at the Sebring Sport Expo show in January of 2010. It originally appeared on the market as the Sport Cruiser made by a company called Czech Aircraft Works. That company has since been reorganized, and now Piper has picked up the distribution of this aircraft for its own LSA line. We're going to take a brief demo flight in it, but before we do that, here's Bart Jones from Piper to tell us a little bit about this particular airplane.
The PiperSport is an all-metal, low-wing, two-place light sport aircraft powered by the 100 horsepower Rotax 912 ULS power plant. The aircraft has a 500-pound useful load. Empty weight on this aircraft is 18 pounds. And of course, the maximum weight by regulation for the light sport aircraft is 1,320 pounds. This aircraft has two wing lockers, one in each wing. Each of them are capable of holding 44 pounds of baggage. There is also a baggage compartment behind these seats which is rated to carry 40 pounds of baggage weight.
The PiperSport will have three avionics packages. This is the top-of-the-line choice with two Dynon screens and a Garmin GPS Map 496. It'll sell for $139,000. The cabin is wide, about 46 inches, with a forward hinge canopy and an unusual throttle control that has a ratcheting throttle lock. Fuel is contained in two wing tanks with a total capacity of 30 gallons. The stick is typical of European designs, meaning it's quite high, almost a little bit too high in our view. Elevator trim is electric only via the two fore and aft buttons here on the stick. Let's take a look at the flight demo.
Clear, Venice. Thank you.
Venice traffic, Sport Cruiser 284 Uniform Sierra is departing runway 4, will be left closed traffic.
Ready? Yep, ready to go, and we're looking at a typical takeoff in the cruiser, PiperSport. Acceleration is good, rotation comes pretty quick at 40 indicated, just a little bit of back pressure. Almost none given the light pitch forces, and off we go. As you can see from looking back, the visibility in this airplane is terrific. It has a panoramic canopy. It does get a little warm, and for that we have this little shade that comes forward like a Venetian blind, and we can cut out some of that light, and that makes it a little bit more comfortable. Open it back up since we're taking some photos. And we're going to do a quick cruise check here. We are level at 2,500 feet. Indicated is looks to be about 105 knots. And here comes the full flap stall. Flaps are full. We're airplane airspeed's decaying through 40 knots. 28 is the calibrated stall speed. Very slow. Very little buffet. There is a brake if you hold it back. Not much of one, and you can easily break the stall with just actually releasing the stick pressure does it.
Just stop holding back.
And with those light stick forces, it's very easy to do a steep turn and hold the altitude. Here we are rolling into a 60-degree turn. A little bit of G. We'll turn around in a phone booth. Airspeeds are typical LSA slow, 60 knots indicated, and cross the numbers at 50. We've got full flaps in. A little bit of down pitch moment, nose down pitch moment when the flaps are deployed. Coming up on the threshold, slowing to 55, and then crossing the numbers at about 50. Plane touches down, rolls out, and looks like about 250 feet.
As you can see from the foregoing video, the PiperSport is typical LSA. The cruise speeds are in the 100 to 110 knot range. The handling is light and sporty. It has a nice stick. The ergonomics are pretty good. Piper tells us that the Sport will be ready for delivery sometime in April of 2010. And if you'd like to get a closer look at it, check it out at the Sun and Fun show. Or you can log on to Piper's website at piper.com. This is Paul Bertorelli reporting for AVweb and Aviation Consumer. Thanks for watching.